What's up YouTubers, Clara here, and on this episode of Clara Marie Vlogs, I'll be showing you two things, which is a Kitchenaid Stand Mixer I did a makeover on for my mom as a Mother's Day gift. Go around. And this was this past Mother's Day. The second thing I will be showing you is the finished product of wheat germ bread, which I will be making in this Kitchenaid mixer. I'll also be taste testing and reviewing the wheat germ bread, and I'll also be sure to share the recipe with you guys in the description box below. As for the recipe, courtesy is unknown. Me and my family used to make this all the time, and it's been a long time since we made it, so stay tuned. Hey YouTubers, it's day 2, and this is the finished product of the bread. So right now I'm going to be taste testing it, see if it's as good as I remember it last. Good. I could definitely use some butter, so I'll get that in a minute later. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So I'll see you in the next video.